I'm back and better as ever. I know it's been a long time. I haven't been on here in so long. Woo. But I am back. I will be uploading videos maybe once or twice a week for right now, just to get myself back comfortable with doing videos. I will be still bringing content, hair and inspirational, as well as talking about my business, TraNichole Aura. If you follow me on social media, then you know that I have been posting a lot when it comes to my business. So I wanted to bring you all a video, let you know that I will be putting up more content. This here is a bob that I'm doing. It's an 8-inch Milky Way Que packed hair I got from the beauty supply. And yes, honey, I'm trying to get it together, but I don't want to do too much talking. I just want y'all to enjoy the video. Please comment, subscribe, and put on your notification bell so that you all will know when I post.